The next contour line drawing that we're going to do is a negative space contour line drawing. So in every shape there are positive and negative shapes, or positive and negative space. You can say either one. For this basket here, if I'm looking at it how you are, the positive is going to be the basket itself, right? The negative would be this empty space here and the empty space around. So it's the space that the basket is occupying. It's the space around it, in between it, these little white holes down here, right? That would all be negative because I'm seeing through the basket. If you were to do a mug, right, the mug is the positive, and then in here and around the mug is all negative, okay? So how I want you to do this is, for your object, is I want you to draw, start with the outline, okay? So I'm going to start with the outline of my basket from how I see it. Nothing on the inside, just what's on the outside, okay? So I wouldn't draw this part here, right? I would just draw this line here, this line across the bottom, up, down here, up, back. All right, so we're gonna get started on the negative space drawing. So I'll hold my basket, well, actually, this is pretty much how I see it, except I don't see quite as much on the inside. So again, I'm gonna pick a spot. I'm gonna start at this bottom corner, same as always. And I'm just gonna do the outside edge. So I'm up here, this corner. I'm gonna go back and around. And I have this little like lip here from the handle that I include, right? And then I'm gonna come around the back corner, which you can't see. Then I'm gonna come around this side here. Well, actually, I see more of the side down here on the side of the basket. So that's what I'm gonna draw. Well, I'm gonna start with this handle first of all. Right, and then I'm gonna come and I'm gonna do the side of the basket down here. So I see the handle coming out, and then it ends there, and then this is where the inside here kind of right comes up there. So I shouldn't have drawn that part on the inside. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take a marker, or you can take your pencil, and you're going to shade in all the negative space. Remember, the negative space is everything around the object. Okay, so I would do that all the way around until I have it all black around my basket. And then I also, you'll see I have some like negative spaces on the inside. I could go ahead and I could draw in those big shapes if I wanted. You don't have to. Yeah, that's up to you. Most of you probably won't have too many like weird negative shapes like a basket weaving or something like that. So that's negative space. Outline, just draw what you see on the outside, and if there's any significant negative spaces on the inside, right? Like where this handle is here, okay? That's what this is here. All right, so go ahead and draw the negative space of your object.